The Maple Leaf Learning Playhouse.
Hey guys, let's make some finger puppets. Yeah! Hey, what's this? Yeah, it's a cow. And I'm going to color mine white, black, and pink. Great! What's this? That's right, it's a tiger. You're good at this. And he's orange and black. Yeah. What's this? That's right, it's a panda. Great. What's this? Yeah, it's a pig. It's a pink pig. Great. What's this? Yeah, it's a deer. And deers are brown, I think. What's this? Yeah, it's a sheep. He's cute. What's this? Yeah, it's a rabbit. He's a white rabbit. And let's color his eyes blue. Yeah. What's this? Great! It's a frog. And frogs are green. And the last one, yeah, it's a chick. Orange beak, and color the rest of them yellow. Great! Now, grab your scissors, and we're gonna cut it out, okay? Yeah, here we go. Done! Now get some glue, or maybe a stapler might be better. And roll it up like this, and put one staple in it. And there's a finger puppet. Wow. Pretty easy. There's a lot of them to make. Good luck, okay? Great. Let's have a look at my friend's puppets. Wow, those are great. Hey, I know a song about animals.
Let's go to the zoo, zoo, zoo.
Me and you to the zoo.
Let's go to the zoo, zoo, zoo.
Let's go to the zoo.
Alligator, alligator.
Eat, eat, eat.
Rabbit, rabbit.
Hop, hop, hop.
Penguin, penguin.
Walk, walk, walk.
Lion, lion.
Run.
Elephant, elephant.
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Monkey, monkey.
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Kangaroo, kangaroo.
Jump, jump, jump.
Tiger, tiger.
Run!
What is it, what is it?
I don't know.
What is it, what is it?
Hey, let's go.
What is it, what is it?
Please show me.
Are you ready?
1, 2, 3. It's a turtle. Cute.
What is it, what is it?
I don't know.
What is it, what is it?
Hey, let's go.
What is it, what is it?
Please show me.
Are you ready?
1, 2, 3. It's a squid. Cool.
What is it, what is it?
I don't know.
What is it, what is it?
Hey, let's go.
What is it, what is it?
Please show me.
Are you ready?
1, 2, 3. It's a clam. Good job. Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah.